Hey guys, welcome to the April 6th edition of Principles of Marketing. This week we have your Module 3 exam uh, that is due on Wednesday. And I want to tell you a little bit how we're going to do this. The Module 3 exam is going to be based on chapters 6, 8, and 9. 6 had to do with the second part of consumer behavior. 8 has to do with the international and global marketing information. And chapter 9 is on digital marketing. And so what we're going to do is the exam is due by 11:50 night on Wednesday, April 8th. I will open this exam um, at midnight on April 8th. So you will have all day, just about 24 hours to complete this exam. I want to share the exam review um, with you. Let me see if I can get to it. Okay, so here is what it looks like. This Module 3 exam would be different than the previous two exams you had. The previous exams were multiple choice. This is going to be essay. And so I will give you a list of 6 essay exams with multiple parts to them. You will only have to answer 4 of them. So each of these essay exams each of these essay questions are worth 25 points each. So you can choose among the 6, you only have to answer 4, and each one is worth 25 points for a total of 100 points. Each essay has multiple parts for you to answer. Some of the parts require information that is covered in the chapters and the PowerPoint slides. Other parts, and perhaps the most important parts of these essay questions, ask for you to apply the information to specific situations or scenarios using examples. Both parts are important, don't get me wrong, to your grade, but please be thorough with your answers and with your applications and with your examples. You can go ahead and answer these questions on a Word document and submit them, or you can go ahead and just enter the text into Canvas and then submit it as well. Either submission is going to go through the Turnitin plagiarism tool. And again, you will have from 12 a.m. on April 8th until 11:59 p.m. On April 8th. So you'll have all day. Following are the topics that I want you to be familiar with, that I want you to focus your studying on. In chapter 6, think about those psychological influences of consumer buying behavior. And I really want you to focus on some of these social influences. What do I mean by social influences? How do reference groups affect consumer buying behavior? How do culture and subcultures affect and influence consumer buying behavior? You'll probably see some essay questions about those different influences and how they impact how you decide to purchase a company's product or service. So if you remember chapter 6, the first part of it you had in your module 2 exam before spring break. The second part of chapter 6 that deals with psychological influences, social influences, and subcultures and their influences on consumer buying behavior. That's what we're going to be focusing on, and that's what I want you to direct your studying at, that second part of chapter 6. Then we skipped chapter 7 and we go to chapter 8. Chapter 8, if you'll remember, is that information on global marketing, international marketing. So I want you to focus your studying efforts on the nature of global marketing strategy, some of those environmental forces in global marketing, Think about, and you had a discussion question on this about regional trade alliances, markets, and agreements. There's going to be a question, and you know it, there'll be an essay question about NAFTA and how that affects marketing strategy. So you might go ahead and definitely study those regional trade alliances. Think about, you know what are some of the factors that go into expanding um, your what are some of the factors that go into expanding your product and services overseas? So think about those things. It's chapter 8. You'll have a couple of options to answer a couple of different essay questions under that type of material from chapter 8. And then chapter 9, that digital marketing chapter, I want you to think about and study specifically those parts of chapter 9 that deal with growth and benefits of digital marketing, the changing digital media behaviors of consumers. How does digital media affect pricing for the marketer and affect price sensitivity for customers? Basically, think about it. If you're buying something, now you have the internet at your fingertips and you can comparison shop, right? That's affecting pricing strategies for marketers and for consumers in terms of how much they want to pay to buy a product. And finally, think about those effects of digital media on customer relationships. Do they enhance customer relationships? And if they do, how? Give me some examples. So those are the types of informations and the topics from the 3 chapters that I want you to focus on studying. Again, you'll have an option of 6 essay questions. You only have to choose 4 to answer, and each one of the 4 that your answer is worth 25 points. You'll have all day to do this. You'll need to submit it by 11:59 on April 8th. And I look forward to reading your responses to the essay questions that you choose. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please feel free to reach out, call me, text me, email me. Please let me know that you've also seen this video so I can give you credit for attendance on Monday, and then your credit for attendance on Wednesday will be you submitting that exam, that Module 3 exam that's worth 100 points. Good luck this week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Talk to you later. Bye.